Welcome back, viewers. I'm Divsirit Kaur and you're watching the Savera. Keeping the message of safeguarding public health, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, India's apex drug regulatory body, has directed all states and union territories to immediately stop the manufacture, sale and distribution of 35 unapproved fixed-dose combination drugs. These include commonly used medications such as painkillers, nutritional supplements, and anti-diabetic drugs. The action comes after the CDSCO found that several of these FDC drugs, which combine 2 or more active pharmaceutical ingredients in a fixed ratio, had been licensed and marketed without proper evaluation of safety and efficacy. The central authority noted that these approvals were granted at the state level without required clearances from the Drugs Controller General of India, violating key provisions under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and the New Drugs and Clinical Trials Rules 2019. In a letter issued on April 11th, Dr. Rajiv Raghuvanshi, the Drug Controller General of India, reminded state drug controllers that these concerns had been repeatedly raised since January 2013, yet unauthorized approvals for FDCs continued to be granted. The regulator emphasized that bypassing mandatory central level scrutiny poses serious risks to patient safety, as such combinations could cause adverse drug reactions, harmful drug interactions, and other health complications. Now, the letter stated, and I quote, "The same concern has been raised from time to time and multiple letters have been issued to the respective SLAs that granted permission for manufacturing and marketing of unapproved FDCs. It has come to the notice of this directorate that certain fixed-dosed combination drugs have been licensed for manufacture, sale and distribution without prior evaluation of safety and efficacy. This poses a serious risk to public health and safety. The approval of such unapproved FDCs compromises patient safety and may lead to adverse drug reactions, drug interactions, and other health hazards due to the absence of scientific validation. In view of the above, all the state and union territory drug controllers are requested to review their approval process for such FDCs and ensure strict compliance of the provisions of the Act and rules. Public health and safety must remain the top priority. This matter may be treated as urgent and serious." Now, while some manufacturers claimed they followed due process as per state-level permissions, CDSCO pointed out that this has resulted in uneven enforcement of national drug laws and non-uniform regulatory practices across the country. In response, the CDSCO has now ordered immediate halt on the manufacture and sale of these 35 FDCs, thorough review of all FDC approvals by state regulators, and lastly, strict compliance with central drug rules going forward. This crackdown is part of the centre's larger effort to tighten drug safety norms in the country and ensure that only scientifically validated, safe medications reach the public. For now, state drug controllers have been put on high alert and consumers are being urged to consult medical professionals if they are currently using any FDC-based medications. Now, let's wait and see how this notice could mend India's drug regulatory landscape, one that could impact both the pharma industry and millions of patients across the country. That's all for now, viewers, but stay tuned to the Savera as we keep bringing you more updates on this and other news. Like, share and subscribe us through your social media handles and download the Savera app for real-time news.